In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate repetitive tasks using TinyTask. So first, download TinyTask from their website at tinytask.net. So just click on the download button or link beside the latest version. And once done downloading, of course, open it up and start running it. And before you proceed in using it, first click on Preferences. And here, make sure that you select continuous playback if you want simultaneous actions from your recorded task. That only means that the tasks you recorded will perform continuously unless you end it manually. Now you can start recording your task, and to do that, click on the record button. And here, just perform the tasks you want to automate. You can do typing, clicking, or opening programs, and even use it on your games. And once you're done, you just have to click on the record button once again. Now you can click the play button to run your recorded actions automatically. And for convenience, click on the save button so you can run it anytime without re-recording. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!